They were like,
Can you imagine how dare you even insult my
she said she
country like
thinks
that?
I went too far for him. Wait, first of all, did I insult his family that day?
He insulted his generation because he insulted you. If you insult
I did
me,
not
can come
insult
for
his
you and come.
family. I was even telling him that I don't think your mom will be proud about what you are doing now.
Is that insult?
I didn't insult them. I just
It was even who
I
insulted
said,
his mother first for say I saw my mother's life.
yes.
That's why you say your mother.
So I now said, your mother will not be happy. I told him, I said, your generation that I have in my head is his own descendants, not his current, you understand? So I curse him because really, how will I cook for you? With my strength, with my sweat, you ate it and you are insulting. It's a curse now.
Enough to know.
No, I don't even
long enough to know what they like.
No, but I don't really need to open my mouth. And I was just shocked at the fact that Doyin would actually not see it from that angle. She agreed that, yes, he was the one that triggered first. But I didn't think she would not tell him straight to his face that you actually deserve the insult that you got.
I told them.
Like, you should have just said it, that you deserve the insult that you got. She said, Sheggz, I think you can be rude. You're actually rude sometimes.
It depends on
yeah, it depends. I won't maintain. You understand? That's just the thing. But she doesn't think anybody is using him to chase clout. Use Sheggz to chase clout. Why? Who are you outside? The same way we all got known in public from this show. I don't know you before the show. You don't know me before the show. We are all equal.
Phyna, one doesn't know who you are outside.
No, like,
the truth because is I'm low kid, I don't want to be out there.
I don't know you before show. You never blow them.
Yes, no.
You don't know me before show. I never blow. We are all equal in this house.
No,
like, I don't know you. If I pass you for street normally, I don't know you. Me, I don't they act film. Nobody know me. It doesn't mean that I have not grown in my field. It just means that, oh, no, everybody doesn't know me yet. Which means I am still supposed to know that I still haven't gotten there. So even if you be president for anywhere where you be, they there. So long as we all came to this house for one purpose, we are equal. So why would anybody want to feel like they are Jagaban more than the next person? Why? You are saying I'm using you to chase clouds. Who are you? Not be the same Big Brother house, all of us. Are we not all in the same Big Brother house? So which clout I won't use you to chase when I not get, or when you like? It's just like me now telling him that he wants to use me to chase clout. We are equal. I don't understand. People just talk and talk shit.
Nigeria. That day you were telling me.
They say she thinks I went too far for insulting his generation. Like, boy, she stood there and called me stupid. And called somebody who literally spent hours in that kitchen for you to eat stupid. What could be worse than insulting? Like, that one not even pass to insult my generation.
You know what they talk? Where if I'm not guessing?
That one not worse pass.
He said you insulted his generation. He brought it up. For him to have dragged his mother's life into
that's very wrong.
Now even using mouth insults. Like, why would you come and say if I don't beg you that I saw your mother's life? And it's not like
that's not when you never beg them. Mama go down the nearly one go now.
No, initially when he said it, I thought his. Don't get me wrong. When he said, I thought his mom was late. But I don't remember that this guy's mom is alive. Oh.